Okay, so here we go, guys. Another repeat video. Um, I think we'll start with the easy one here, but I think the best word of advice I have for you is um, do the simplest thing first, right? So they want you to draw these three triangles. So my advice would be just draw one triangle first. Then we'll figure out how to repeat that. So that's easy enough, right? It's going to be a move forward. It's going to be a turn left, right? Because he's going to move forward, then he has to turn to the left to go up that way, and then he's going to turn to the left again and go down this way, right? So this would be the bulky way of doing it. Turn, and that should work. We're going to do one more. So you need to move forward one more time, and that should do it. Right, so I drew a triangle, right? But look, up here it says workspace, 11 of 11 blocks. That means that's the most code I can have for this whole thing. So we need to think about a way to do this simpler. So here we go. Let's follow the pathway. I'm going to slow this way down. It's move forward, turn left, move forward, turn left, move forward. So wait a minute. It's the same thing over and over again. Move forward, turn left. That's what we need to get to focus on. So I can pull this all off and get rid of it. Now I can do the repeat of that, and it should draw one triangle. So now the question is, how do we get that one drawing to repeat itself 3 more times? Well, what if we put another repeat around it? Let's try it. Well, now it's just drawing over the same spot. So we need to get it to move forward to the next one. So we're going to have to put another move forward in there. And in order to do it, basically we need to go back to here. Let's get this out of here. Let's put this away. In this setup, he ends right here on this corner. So if we want to do the next triangle, he has to move forward 50 and then start all over again. So the only way we can do that is by putting a move forward in after the repeat. So watch. Now he's going to end up on this corner. See? Now we need to repeat that whole thing. So we're going to put this in here, and this in here. And look at how simple that is. And I'll speed it up so we don't have to wait for it. And now it lets you through. So that's another one of those, you got to be thinking about how you can combine stuff. What do you have that's already there, right? We really only needed the move forward and the turn left to draw the triangle, and then we just needed to move forward enough to get to the next triangle. Okay, that was the first one. Second one that I had a request for was number 9, lesson 7, number 9. And this is what is going on here. So I'm going to show you an easier way to do it. So let's look at what we need to draw one box, which is this, right? We set our length, and we're going to repeat 4 times because there's 4 sides of the box, and this should draw a nice box, right? So now to get to the next box, we have to jump over and then jump down. So we're going to have a jump forward by length pixels, which is 80, and then that gets us to here. Now we need to turn to the right, so we're going to put one of these in. Turn right 90 degrees, and then we're going to do another jump forward. And look let's just see if it works. Oh, I gotta put the pixels, the length in there. There we go. There, now I've started on this corner again. So what that means is, remember we started up here, we drew a box. So as long as we start on the same corner on each one of these, it will work. So this is everything I needed to set it up so that I could start this part over again. So basically what I need to do now is split this off and repeat that whole thing. And look at how simple that is. Now I just need to figure out the right amount of times. I'm not going to tell you that. I'll just do 2. And look, I still have something slightly off. What is it that I'm missing? I move, so I jump down to here. Let's play it step by step here. Let's go real slow. Drawing the first square. I get to here, I jump over, I jump down, and then I'm asked, wait, that's weird. I wish there was a pause. So I jump forward, I turn right, and then I jump forward. So I end up here. Right? Jump forward, that's this. Then I go back, since I'm on the repeat, I go back up to here, and what's the first thing I do? I move forward. So I end up drawing the box here. So I need to put in something to turn me in the right direction, because look at the direction I'm facing now. I need to turn back to the left. And here we go. So see, going down, I'm going to jump over, turn, jump down, then I turn to straighten back out, and now I start drawing. So there's something still missing here, but I think I've given you pretty much the framework. So you can look closely at what I have here, and you can probably figure out what the next step is. But once again, keep in mind, build one piece of it, then figure out how to get to the starting point of the next piece. Then you can repeat everything. A lot of you are trying to do it step by step, right? You're just thinking of it in individual steps. I want you to think of it just doing one thing at a time, and then what do you have to repeat to make that happen over and over again? All right? Good luck, everyone.